Say goodbye to generic bookmarks and say hello to personalized, handcrafted fabric bookmarks. These are perfect for gifts, party favors, personal use, and much more. So let's get to it. Start by printing and cutting out the pattern. Use the pattern to cut 2 pieces of fabric. You can also just cut out 2 pieces of fabric to your desired size and shape. Cut the seam allowance off of the pattern and use it to cut 2 pieces of interfacing. If you're not using the pattern, cut 2 pieces of interfacing that are 1/4 inch smaller than your fabric pieces on all sides. Fuse the interfacing to the middle of the wrong side of the fabric pieces. I'm using a pretty stiff interfacing here so the bookmark doesn't bend too easily. Alternatively, you can use cardstock, which isn't fusible but can be glued or sewn into the fabric. Trim the tops of both pieces using pinking shears. Cut a long piece of 1/4 inch ribbon. Fold the ribbon in half and sandwich between the top of the pieces with wrong sides facing. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance around the whole thing, backstitching at both ends. Trim the ribbon to your desired length and finish the remaining sides with pinking shears. That's it, the bookmark is done. Thanks for watching, feel free to drop any questions or comments you might have, and we'll see you next time.